The Enchanted Garden. Once upon a time, a little girl named Lily visited an enchanted garden full of magical creatures like fairies and talking animals. The garden was beautiful and full of life, with sparkling waterfalls and flowers in every color. One day, Lily noticed that the garden's magic was slowly fading away. The flowers were losing their color, the animals were becoming quiet, and the fairies were losing their powers. Lily wanted to help the garden, so she decided to find out why the magic was fading. She enlisted the help of her fairy friend, who told her that an evil sorcerer had cast a spell on the garden. With bravery and determination, Lily set out on a quest to find the sorcerer and put an end to his evil plan. Along the way, she faced many challenges, but with the help of her friends and her own courage, she defeated the sorcerer and saved the garden's magic. In the end, Lily returned home, proud of herself for being a hero and saving the enchanted garden. She knew that even the smallest person could accomplish great things with determination and the help of friends. The moral of the story is that true bravery comes from within, and that even the smallest person can accomplish great things with determination and the help of friends.